Saudi Arabia's newest aviation player, just doubled its profits, and it's only 3 years old. Let's look at our main story. Avilease. The PIF-backed aircraft leasing firm launched in 2022 reported powerful 2025 results. Revenue jumped 19% to $664 million. Profit before tax doubled to $122 million. And here's the standout metric: 100% fleet utilization for the entire year. That means every aircraft was leased and generating income. Company's fleet and expansion Avilease now owns and manages 202 aircraft, leased to over 50 airlines across 30 plus countries. Its asset base stands at $9.3 billion. The company also secured strong investment grade ratings, Bar2 from Moody's and BBB from Fitch, boosting its global credibility. Strategic are spot on. In November 2025, Avilease issued $850 million in bonds, diversifying funding sources. It signed new aircraft purchase agreements with Airbus and Boeing to secure next-generation, fuel-efficient jets, and it executed a major sale and leaseback deal, delivering a Boeing 787-9 to Saudi Arabia's new national carrier, Riyadh Air. Under Saudi's Vision 2030 angle, with backing from the Public Investment Fund, Avilease is central to Saudi Arabia's ambition to become a global aviation hub under Vision 2030. It's a risk to watch, but aviation is cyclical. A global slowdown, high fuel prices, geopolitical tensions, or rising interest rates could pressure lease rates and asset values. Competition from giants like AerCap and Air Lease Corp is also intense. For now, Avilease is executing with discipline and scale. If global travel demand stays strong, this young lessor could become a serious global contender. For more sharp insights on global finance and aviation, subscribe to Pashanath Finance News. Thank you for watching.